in order to create a module, we're gonna come into whatever directory we are, and then whatever directory we put V in, or put our files in. Okay, and we're gonna I already did this, but I'm gonna call it mod1. So you have to create a folder, mkdir mod1. It's gonna throw an error because it already exists or whatever. And then we're gonna put this mod1.v file in there. You can see, okay, hold on, see mod1. So you can see mod1.v, right? So first what you got to do is put module at the top, mod1, okay? So you can call this file anything, right? But it just has to have that module mod1 at the top. Okay, and you need to make everything public, and then a function, and then we'll just call it say hi, okay? Alright, and we'll just print line hello happy people, okay? And we got it like that right there, right? And in order to use this, I had it in the wrong file because I had the two open. Okay, so we'll put this in mod1.v. Okay, all right. In order to use this in another file, we created this file mn.v. Okay, I made it. I went from here and created mn.v. Okay, so import mod1, and then we'll make a main function, fn main. Alright, and then in order to call that say hi function, we use mod1 dot say hi. Okay, bam, there we go. Okay, I gotta save this too. You can see it's not saved. So mn.v. Okay, clear. Come on, type today. Okay, v mn.v. Oh, wrong directory. Okay. mn.v. Okay, compile. So mn. It's gonna say hello happy people. Hello happy people. Okay, there we go.